Hi guys, happy Monday! We only have 3 more weeks of school. Okay, so this week we will be reading Mystery in the Moonlight. I want to do a picture walk and I want to go over vocabulary. So let's look at the pictures. By looking at the front cover, what do you think the book is going to be about? So let's think. Look at what you see. So I see a young lady with a flashlight. Maybe she's telling a scary story. And how do you know it's a scary story? You're right. I see Dracula. I see a bat. Okay, and it's being told at night. So this book, as you can see, here's another picture, and you see a young girl and a young boy. They're looking at this house, and it looks like someone is moving in, okay? This book has a table of contents. There is 4 chapters, okay? Chapter 1, another picture. So let's go over vocabulary words. So the first one is fraternal twins. Fraternal twins means that you are twins, but you don't look alike. You're not identical twins, okay? Let's go over plots. So, plots would be when you are hatching a plan, when you're coming up with a plan. Okay, a plan to do something. It could be good, it could be bad, it could be sneaky. Casual would be when you're trying to be sneaky, but you don't want to be caught, if that makes sense. Recruit. Recruit means when you are going to ask people to join you, okay? And once again, here's that picture we saw at the beginning. Okay, looks like someone's moving in, and now that we know that they're brother and sister and they're twins, they're looking to see maybe who's their neighbor. Okay? So, as you read this sentence where the word recruit is in, Isabel was good at kickball and never missed an opportunity to recruit fresh players. So, it looks like Isabel is hoping that maybe children will be moving in so that they can have someone to play kickball with. Okay? So, let me ask you a question. Does it seem like the kids are like they like to be inside, or do they look more like outdoorsy type kids? You're right. They look like they're outdoorsy types kids because he's got a hat on. When I read a little bit of the text, they like to play kickball, which tells me they like to be outside quite a bit. Okay, chapter 2, the word intent. So Isabel looks very intense and a little mysterious. Okay, don't you think it's strange that the Bradfords are never outside during the daytime? So intent means, in this case, intent means serious and mysterious. Okay, so she looks very serious. She's like, why are the neighbors never outside? That's so strange. Okay, let's hear the word, because I just gave myself a tongue twister. Let me remove it. Okay.
Coincidences.
Coincidences. Okay, coincidences. So coincidences is, don't all these coincidences sound familiar? So that means things that are happening. So in this case, like we all watch scary movies, okay? Or we read scary mystery books. And if certain events happen, you kind of think, oh my gosh, that's what's going to happen, because they're all something that's familiar. Okay? Another picture, there's somebody in the tree and it's dark and it looks like their eyes are glowing. It's kind of creepy. Again, here she is telling a scary story. Escapades. So, on the last side of this moonlight, escapades. Escapades means when you're doing things like when I decided to play on the bumper cars, okay? Or I went to Fiesta, Texas and went on a lot of roller coasters. Or it's just things that you do, okay? Now, escapades usually doesn't mean it's the wisest choice. Oh, let's go back. We have threshold. So just as she reached the threshold, which means the door, right here. Threshold, the door. Okay? We see brother and sister. Well, actually, that's not brother. So here's Isabel. This is Andrew. We will eventually learn who he is, and we'll probably realize that they're not vampires. Okay? And then it looks like brother and the new neighbor are laughing at her. So we'll have to see. So this is one of those words. So let's actually hear the word.
Xeroderma.
Xeroderma.
Pigmentosum.
Pigmentosum. Okay, so let me try. So let's highlight it. Let me see if it'll let me highlight it. Oh, it's going to make me do it separate. That's fine. Okay, so Andrew has a condition. They call it XP. XP stands for xeroderma pigmentosum. His skin and eyes can't tolerate light from the sun. Okay, so that's what it means. It's a condition that your eyes and skin have, and you can't be outside in the sun. So in this case, Andrew can most likely only go outside when the sun is not out or when the sun's not as bright. Okay, so does that mean he's a vampire? No, probably not. Okay, and then it's Halloween. And then again, here are your glossary terms. So, escapades is adventures, plots, plans, schemes, intent, focused, and determined. Okay, so now let's go into what I want you to do for me here. So you are going to you're going to click on the link, you're going to get into your Google Docs. You are going to, so let's preview the way you're going to see it. Let me see if it'll let me. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to go back and fix it because obviously you'll need to put your first and last name. You will choose your teacher. Go down. I put a picture of what the book looks like. As you keep scrolling, you have your glossary so that you can go back and you can review the words on your own and maybe write some down that you're not sure of. Then I have 2 sentences. So this week we are focused on plot and we are focused on irregular verbs. So I'm going to give you a sentence. You're going to read the sentence. You're going to click the arrow and you're going to choose which word best fits the sentence. And you will do the same here and then you will submit. Okay, guys? Now, for Tuesday, I need you to please read. So let me get to that page and I will also include it on here. So for Tuesday, you will need to read pages 4 through 6. Okay? So this week we'll focus on plot and irregular verbs. And please read pages 4 through 6. Bye guys. Happy Monday.